The cost of liposuction is one of the major questions asked by patients whenever they visit us, and that is one of the major deterrents for them to undergo a surgery because they think it will be too expensive. So I'll be talking about cost of liposuction and how it varies from patient to patient in this video. Hello, my name is Dr. Arjun Handa and I'm a plastic surgeon at Handa Aesthetics. So liposuction cost, usually when you ask our clinic, one of our coordinators or our sales manager will always tell you a range. Now they cannot give you a specific exact price because the cost will vary from person to person depending upon a lot of factors. So what we do is initially I examine the patient and determine what kind of result they want. That is the most important factor. So if they want a normal generalized liposuction wherein they want generalized reduction of fat from multiple areas or a single area of the body, or they want specific fine contouring like high def liposuction, they want some abs to be made, they want fat grafting to be added on to the liposuction. So all these things I have to discuss with the patient before we can estimate a price. So once I've understood this, the second thing I want to understand is the condition of the patient. How much fat is it that they have in their body at that time? And which area are we talking about? Now, sometimes patient may come looking for tummy liposuction, but then I have to tell them that you also have fat in your love handles and your lower back, and it doesn't make sense to do only the tummy and leave the fat behind. Without doing it, the results just won't be there. Sometimes they also have bulges around their bra straps or maybe the upper back. So again, doing the tummy and lower back and leaving the fat in the back doesn't make any sense. So once the patient understands the finer points about contouring of the body, that it's not just about spot reduction in one area, but it's about giving a specific shape, then the plan changes and the price also changes. So second point would be the amount of fat and the number of areas that we are going to do. Finally, I also want to understand what the skin quality is like. Well, if the skin is loose, then I would want to add a skin excision procedure. In the case of tummy, it will be a tummy tug. In the case of thighs or arms, it will be thigh lift or an arm lift. So just like this, it depends again what the patient wants. If the patient just wants a generalized reduction and they don't want the loose skin to be addressed, then the price becomes lower. But if they want the skin to be absolutely tight and smooth, then the price increases because now we are not just talking about liposuction, we are talking about skin removal as well. So the final price is determined after discussion and also after finalizing with the patient the result that they would want, their condition of their body, and also how much time do they have to undergo a specific procedure. Maybe they want to divide it into stages and do it after 3 to 4 months. So all these factors come into play when determining the final cost of the procedure.